Hello everyone, we are Team Fishermen. I am Teck Wee, and today I'll be taking you through the web app we spent the last 2 months building. Firstly, what was the motivation behind building this web app? Well, with the exponential growth of internet usage and online transactions, phishing attacks have become one of the most prevalent and damaging forms of cybercrime. Every day, countless individuals and organizations fall victim to fraudulent websites that are designed to steal sensitive information such as passwords, banking details, and personal identities. Despite the availability of antivirus software and email filters, users continue to lack a real-time, community-driven tool that can help them assess the legitimacy of websites they encounter while browsing. Phishing attacks today are changing and evolving rapidly, making it difficult for individuals to know exactly whether what they received is a phishing scam or not. Additionally, no system allows the public to contribute to phishing detection dynamically, nor an easy way to warn others about suspicious sites they discover. This gap leads to slower detection of emerging threats and more victims. Now, moving on to the user story. Linda is a 58-year-old retiree who frequently uses social media to keep herself updated with what her friends are up to. She recently encountered a Facebook article claiming to be giving away EZ-Link cards that covered all transportation fees for an entire year. All she had to do was visit the link provided in the post. However, she thought that this offer sounded a little too good to be true. And that's when she recalled her daughter mentioning a website called Phishermen that is able to scan for online threats. So, what is Phishermen? Well, Phishermen is a comprehensive web app that leverages machine learning and AI to protect users from phishing attacks. Our platform differs from traditional URL scanners as it also utilizes contextual analysis and educational tools to create a holistic defense against cyber threats. For our tech stack, we used plenty of programming languages and libraries, so here are some of the more popular ones. React is used to build our website's interface for a smooth user experience. Python is used for our backend due to its flexibility. Flask is used to connect our machine learning models and other backend logic. And finally, scikit-learn is used to train and run our model using real-world phishing data. And lastly, we also followed software engineering principles in order to make our lives easier. Firstly, each feature was created as an independent, reusable component for ease of testing and implementation. Additionally, we also hosted our services using online hosts in order to ensure that we are able to handle heavy user traffic. Furthermore, we also sent out surveys, gathering real world feedback to ensure we are addressing real user problems, not just technical ones. And lastly, we chose to use popular frameworks and adopted clean coding practices to ensure the long term maintainability of the project. For this milestone, we have added quality of life updates as well as made improvements to already existing features. So let me walk you through these changes. Firstly, on the landing page, users have the option to stay and use guest services, or they can log into or sign up to their existing account. The search bar on this landing page enables users to input any suspicious messages they may have encountered for our machine learning model and AI to analyze. So this section returns the confidence based on our machine learning model, and the LLM aims to explain the confidence percentage that is spat out by the machine learning model. We have also included an option for users to upload screenshots, as it is common for users to screenshot suspicious content that they encounter in order to forward them to their friends. So as you can see, the analysis returns the same result. Here is the machine learning prediction, and here is the LLM attempting to explain this confidence percentage. Additionally, we have also added an auto-populate features for users to see that our analysis feature works, as well as a section on the analysis history where users can see the results of their previous analysis. Up next, we have the reality mode, which is an interactive learning feature where users are presented with 5 real-world phishing scenarios. For each one, they must choose the best possible response just like they would in real life. It is designed to simulate decision making under pressure and help users sharpen their phishing detection skills through practice. A mixture of response based, true false, and image based questions are randomly selected for the users, aiming to provide users with holistic scam education. We have also added a point system that updates a title associated with the user's account, shown in the top right hand corner here. And this title will also be featured in the forum section, which I'll get to shortly. At the end of the quiz, users will be given a score to see how many questions they managed to get correct on the very first attempt, and their points will be updated accordingly. Up next, we move on to the forum feature. The forum feature is a collection of phishing scams that have been flagged out by other users, and users are able to search for particular reports that they would like to read up more about, or use the filter feature on the site to look out for specific types of scams related to a broad topic. And as you can see, for users with an account created, the title of their account will be placed on display for everyone else to see. And lastly, we have also added a Chrome extension feature, which automatically analyzes links without the user having to input anything themselves. And with that, they can click on this link to be redirected onto our site to learn more about phishing scams.